Hi folks, Tim here. Welcome back to Grandad's Workshop. Today we're going to be starting our book nook, which is supplied by Cute Bee. Love handmade, enjoy life. It's made in China. It's a DIY book nook. Recommended ages 14 plus. So I only just creep in there. So I think everything's included. It's not suitable for 6 years or under due to small parts. But this was a gift from my lovely wife for Christmas. So I'm going to switch the camera around and we'll unbox it and you can see what awaits us. Okay, so here we go. Cute Bee, love handmade, enjoy life. The book nook, the great unveiling. So it comes in a lovely box, a nice sturdy box. Jan's a crafter. Jan, my good lady wife, is a crafter. She'll be proud of this box. It's a doozy. So there you go. First out of the box is the Eternal Bookstore. This particular model's called. Filling your corner with magic sunshine, turning the ordinary into magic. And you can see from the picture, it makes the appearance of like a normal full-size book on the outside, but when you open the book, it's a miniature library, complete with little steps, a dog even, a mirror, and dozens of little books. So the first thing that hits you about this particular model is the quality of the instructions. It's properly nice, thick, glossy, both sides glossy paper, nice clear pictures, and this is only showing you the accessories. So you've got an LED light. I'll go through all the accessories anyway, but it's everything. Don't hesitate, contact us if you have any issues with the product. For more surprises you can check our Cute Bee official website. I think they've even given you a link there. So that's the first page. Then it gives you a list of the wooden blocks. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you start with your instructions. Look how clear they are. I'd be proud of them as photographs, to be honest. Beautiful quality, and it's all broken down. So if your instructions are anything to go by, you should be in for a treat here, because that's of all the models I've ever looked at and built, these are by far the nicest laid out instructions. Let's just hope they help you put it together as nice as they look, and then it gives you one or two other models that you can actually get, and I'm sure if you go on the website there's even more than that. So that's your instructions. These are your paper patterns. You've got, I don't know why that one's upside down for some reason, but anyway, you've got 4 paper patterns, which are obviously the covers for all your different books. Absolutely beautiful. Proper little photographs.
Let's have dinky fingers. Have you got dinky fingers?
Yeah, Jan's just saying you need dinky fingers to do this model. that might be where I come unstuck. So yeah, you've got paper 1, paper 2 at the other side for some reason. Don't quite know why. I don't think that makes 1 ounce of difference. So that's your miniature book covers. Beautiful. This is your little accessory pack, which will have your LED lights and such like in it. So there you go, there's your little battery pack. I don't know if the battery's included. It's not by the weight of it, but yeah, these two AAA batteries, so I don't think they're included. That must be your mirror. It'll appear on your wall. I'll show you what that is. It's clear sticky black paper, so quite sure what that's for yet. A little file, a tiny little hinge. Look at that little brass hinge. Beautiful. Complete with teeny weeny little screws. And the corresponding Phillips screwdriver. So there you go. That's your little pack of accessories. Beautiful. Don't lose your little screws. With my eyes, there's a very strong possibility of that. So by the look of it, the only thing you don't get in this set, and we haven't emptied everything yet, but I don't think you're going to get the batteries. And the reason for that may very well be nothing other than the fact that if they leak, then pretty much your whole kit is ruined. So there you go. That's let's just get a blade to open.
Do you want mine?
Yeah, we got yours to hand. I never have anything to hand me, so I always have to just shout across to Jan. It's really Jan's workshop, you see, this, or craft room. So I'm just looking to have a little station, and I've got the window seat, so that really should make me the boss, I think.
Wow, look at that.
So Jan and knife back there. Wow. So these are going to be all your internal walls. Wow, pictures on it. There's obviously where your hinge is going to go. Got the markings for the screw holes. Presume that's going to pop through and hinge. Wow, beautiful colours. Very, very impressed with this. I cannot tell a lie. So this is obviously the outside of the whole library, if you want. This is the front cover of the full size book, and that must be the back. You cannot change the life length, but you can change its width. So there you go, that's going to be the outside.
Don't you dinner?
These I presume are going to be all your little books, so the covers are going to get stuck down on there. Wow. Some furniture in there as well. There's your roaring fire. And each board's clearly marked. We've got F, E and so on. There's more little push out books. These are all push outs by the look of it. So there's your little ladders. We've even got a little cactus, look. So more bits of furniture, railings at the top of the stairs. Oh, we've lost a bit. There you go. Pop that back in. There you go. There's your little hound. It's upside down. Let's put him the right way up. There he is. Look at that. Table legs, like ornate table legs. Candles. Absolutely. Oh my lord! Look at this. All the paintings for the walls. Absolutely brilliant. Potted flowers. Potted vase flowers. Wow. Ornate table legs. Wallpaper. Absolutely incredible. Wow. Can't wait to get into this. So there you go. That's the unboxing. And if you could award prizes for the pleasure you get from the unboxing ceremony, this company would be top of the league. So I'm just going to pop that back for now. Got to take Bentley for his walk, so we'll go take Mr. Bentley, and when we come back we'll make a start.